It is cold in McLaren's room. Computer, what's wrong with the heating?
Eco heating is broken.
Great. Thanks for that, computer. Hey! No hibernating in here. Only I get to nap on the job. Catchy little ditty, that, huh?
Have you not fixed the eco heating? My room's colder than ever!
I started, but it's impossible to finish anything with this catchy tune going round me head.
McLaren! Chef Dindins won't finish making my cake! Make her finish making my cake! I want cake! All it does is hum my unfinished tune.
Unfinished? No fire?
Actually, everyone's humming that tune. It's really catchy. See? No, I'm doing it too.
Wow! Everyone! Calling kid songwriter!
McLaren, be warned, there's something very dangerous aboard the Jefferson. It's a earworm!
Not those catchy little tunes that burrow into your head and won't. Go away!
Earworms sound oddball.
Earworms aren't real creatures, Sid. It's just a saying.
There isn't much time left. Nova has written the catchiest tune ever. Once it burrows deep enough into our heads, we won't be able to do anything but hum the tune forever. Why are we going so fast? McLaren, it's just a silly little tune.
Can't let the earworm off the Jefferson. If they heard it, the Tellus aliens would be humming your tune down the phone to everyone.
But then no one could finish what they're doing, so no one could sell my tickets. And no tickets means no audience.
Go on, nearly there.
Nobody will come to my concert! McLaren, walk faster!
We must leave Ticktastic immediately. Just being here is too risky. Computer, blast off now!
Initiating launch. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3.
So, I think the computer's been earwormed. And even worse, these emergency lights so do not match my outfit. Hey, crew, fix these lights. Turn off this alarm. What's that smoke? Oh, and cake! Bring me some cake! No! Come back! This way! Oh!
They can't complete tasks if they're all earwormed.
I hate when people leave before they're finished doing stuff.
Annoying, isn't it, Nova? You're not getting off the ship. Nova, we cannot let this earworm out onto Ticktastic. Nobody can leave.
But there must be 200 crew and 100 doors. That's 9 crew per door. No one's bound to get out. How do we stop that?
Oh, you don't need a top hat. Now, focus on the problem.
Okay, fine. If you want anything done around here, ask someone else to do it. Hey, crew, help me solve this problem. Is it possible? Whenever you ask anyone to do anything, they just wander off.
Nova, that's it! Make more demands. Get them all to wander into my room. They can't leave the ship if they're all hibernating. Yeah? Oh, yeah!
You, fetch me a Novacino with the froth not too frothy.
Yes, that's it! Herd them to me with your demands.
Hey, bring me the chocolate with the nuts in the middle with the nut taken out. Repaint my suite the same colour it is, check all the corners for spiders and tell me how brilliant I am. And bring me 2,463 kittens. Not a kitten more, not a kitten less.
Aw, look, all happily hibernating. Shh, just got them off to sleep.
I still can't believe they all wandered off without finishing a single thing they should have done. Don't try and trick me into learning one of your lessony things. I'm not being lessonated.
Hello? Jefferson? Is everything okay? We heard alarms, which is very alarming.
Oh, there's loads of them. We have to cancel that call before they hear the tune. Oh, where's my tablet? Cancel call!
Call
Your ship nearly took off. There are rumors of a cancellation.
Slight hiccup there. More of a tiny burp, really. But everything will be ready for the show. Nothing alarming here. No! Stop that worm! Come back!
Oh, who's this distracting cutie booty?
Audrey, come back!
Slow coach! Can't catch me! Oh. Na 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 na.
Let escape! Catch you in something!
Can't catch me!
Got it! I caught the earworm!
That's an earworm.
Get out of here!
Everything's under control. The orangutans. 74!
Oddball animal number 6. Done! The never-ending dough. The dough that never, ever runs out. Ever! It's brilliant.
I'm just wondering when it gets out of control and makes an incredible mess.
You might want to put an old "I told you so" in the calendar now, eh?
There's no way I can do the audition or Jellyzania. But you're Nova Jones. You should be scared of anything. Well, exactly, Wait, what, Blop? Hi. I'm Avon. As in, Nova spelled backwards. A-V-O-N. Avon. It's Avon. The Space Fair mirror. Careful. You don't want to get sucked into the mirror world. I'm joking. That's not possible. Hey, McLaren. Going Nova. Hey, McLaren.
Coming Nova. Wait, what?
McLaren. McLaren, I demand attention.
Nova. What?
I know. How am I doing it? Is it a mystical diva ability powered by my musical success?
No, there are two of you. Probably from that silly science fiction mirror you won at the Space Fair.
Aww.
Still, well done. On a day everyone's talking about fears, you've managed to create my biggest nightmare. 2 Novas. Okay, listen up, party people. Nova's got her big audition tomorrow, so Nova, don't stay up late. Avon, don't keep Nova up late. Captain... Oh, you're already asleep.
The tea bags. Where's the tea bags?
And Sid, watch the never-ending dough. The last thing I want to wake up to is... Sid! I told you so. Sid, I asked you for one thing. One job to keep the dough under control.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Nova, Avon, wake up! It's Nova's virtual audition this morning. I need to do a whoosh call from here in half an hour. Clean this up fast. Nova, go and get Jess for your audition. Avon, bed!
My life is full of fortune. Got that level of fame where they clap and they cheer as they call out my name. I don't have to compete with nobody else but me. Baby, you know that I'm in my own league.
Phone. This is a disaster.
I'll do what I do best. You know it's no contest. I'll stay in my own lane.
Hello? Is there a problem? I mean, apart from your artist sounding like a tone-deaf horse chewing on a clumsy cat?
No problem at all. Just everyone who works here being useless. Hang on.
Useless? Oh no! I need to be useful! The fear. Oh, what can I do?
say how sorry we are for Nova's voice being so wobbly just then.
Did you say wobbly? Is that a jelly joke?
No. I have huge respect for everything jelly. Jelly phones, jelly fonts, Jellington boots, jelly.
No matter. We have assessed the footage, and there is good news and bad news. The good news is the Royal Jelly family would still like to offer Nova Jones the opportunity to perform at the Jelly Xenia. The bad news is one of the clips you sent was a staff member picking them nose.
Sid, we'd be delighted to accept.
But Nova can't accept. She's scared of jelly.
Of own? What? Nova?
What? Nova can't do Jelly Xenia because she's got a big, huge, massive, super gigantic jelly fear. Don't worry, Twinny. I've got your back. Literally. It's the same back. Mirror twin thing.
She's locked the door.
And this one. Open door.
Nova Suite sealed.
I can't believe you lied to me about your fear.
She must have given the doors a new password. Oh, sorry. Are we changing the subject?
Why didn't you tell me sooner?
I thought if I hid my fear, it would just go away. But jelly's just so wobbly and it's the way it moves and wobbles and...
Jelly Xenia concert commencing in 6 minutes.
Owen is going to perform at Jelly Xenia and everyone will think it's you! I mean me! We need your help. Yvonne's trapped us in this room. I heard... sisters, right? I know, right?
I'm right here.
The code is easy. Try door open. I'm guessing the old password was open door.
Look unimpressed later. Run. Now. Are you exactly like McLaren? Because Yvonne is seriously opposite to me in some ways. Like,
Not now, Nova. What is... My lightning! What did you... What? No! My
Hey, Nova Lights. I'm just walking around my spacious superstar suite. Hope nothing happens to the gravity.
Now, gravity. Turn off the gravity.
A big fall into outer space, Thomas fail.
Timing, people. When Nova says gravity, you turn off the gravity and up she floats. Okay, you've got it. You're dreadful. I love you.
Yeah, I'm not sure I'm okay messing with the ship's gravity.
Come on, Captain. It'll be funny.
Well, if you think it'll be funny, brace yourselves!
No, turning off the gravity, thank you very much. I'm still finding sticky toffee pudding on the ceiling from last time. Oh, hello.
McLaren, this is Hector, the director. He's helping me make epic fail videos.
It's a travesty. My life is torture.
It's not going great.
Why does nothing ever go wrong around here?
I'm organising Kid Songwriter's birthday party. Could you sign this, Nova?
There. Do you want a selfie? Oops. Sorry. Habit.
76 hours of straight bangers! I'm so excited for the second half!
You just wait until the third half.
The refusal of the chance!
Offs? I'm amazing. Costume change. And back to the stage.
Stop right there! Nova Jones, you're under arrest.
Why? On what charge?
You're under arrest for being too talented. bet your glittery bum it's real.
What do we do?
Well, we were thinking jailbreak.
Sid wants to get himself locked up.
After I tattoo my legs with the jail blueprints.
We'll be out in no time.
But arrested for what?
I'm too talented.
Like Nova.
They're just gonna teach me magic.
We need to get Nova out of this without becoming intergalactic fugitives! But I don't know anything about the law or courtrooms or... Hang on. Stop! We demand a trial. We want a judge, a jury, some lawyers, and a chance to prove Nova is innocent.
A trial?
She's allowed one, right? I mean, we could always call your head office.
No need for that. You want a trial? You could have a trial.
Yes!
Tomorrow morning. You're confined to quarters.
Or maybe I would have been happier as a roller coaster engineer or a lollipop man for roads and sweets. Stop there! Wait! You two. And you, come forward. Not you stay there. There's no point honking at me. These kids need to cross the road.
Captain! Concentrate! Captain, you need to stop thinking about what might have been. You almost crashed the Jefferson. Again!
Stop! Police! I'm a police!
What's this all about, officer?
Good afternoon, fellow officer. This is just a routine stop. Can I see your license and registration?
Oh, of course.
You ready?
Now I'll just find you a 27B/6.
Of course. Your ship looks a lot like the Jefferson.
Oh, I used to be a big fan. Not now. Not now that I've heard she's broken the law.
I don't like to brag, but I was the arrested officer.
Were you now?
Uh-huh. Isn't being a police officer just the coolest job in the galaxy?
Nah, that's been a space captain.
What was that?
Oh my days, that's right. So what if I've never done anything else? I'm the captain of the Jefferson, which is the coolest job ever. I mean, I'm definitely a police officer.
Lord. Busted.
I don't believe we got through those shield generators so quickly.
I told you we need those cardboard tubes and the bucket of paint.
And the fishing rod. Otherwise, those laser-sighted crocodiles would have... Go team!
Karen! Nova, come on, we're gonna get you out of here.
I think I might deserve to be here.
I'm awful.
No, you're not, Nova, come on.
Nobody move!
I'm sorry, everyone. Turns out I love being a captain too much to hide it.
Hush now! You're all in big trouble. Imagine impersonating a police officer.
Why? That's what you're doing.
Okay, let's get you locked up.
No. While we were trapped in the electrical grids and the heating ducts, I figured it out. This is ridiculous. Like, why couldn't I find anything on the talent laws? Why did the inspector not let us call her head office? And who stands to gain from Nova being out the charts? Oh, I know!
Is that the time? I must be going.
And who stands to gain the most from Nova being out the charts? It was Johnny all along!
Wait, who is that?
This is my my cellmate, Elspeth. Elspeth, this is McLaren. Sid,
Hang on.
Sensation!